Here let us see a question from the topic sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. Here question is, if the ratio of the sum of p terms and q terms of an AP is p square is to q square, prove that common difference is twice the first term. Okay, so first of all let us see what is given here. What is given? A ratio of the sum of p terms and q terms, means sum of p terms upon sum of q terms. This is given, which is equal to p square by q square. Okay, and what we have to find? To find that, prove that the common difference is twice the first term. So don't write find here, let us write prove. So to prove that, common difference is twice the first term. So d is equal to 2a, where d is common difference and a is the first term of this arithmetic progression. Generally we denote first term by a and common difference by d, you know. Okay, so we have to prove this one, d is equal to 2a, and here given sp by sq is equal to p square by q square. So let us start with this given expression. So, or we can write here, we will use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula for finding sum of n terms. So here sum of p terms, with the help of this formula we can write p by 2 into 2a plus p minus 1 into d, and in denominator by the same formula q by 2 2a plus q minus 1 into d. This is given how much? P square by q square. So by simplifying it we can get that result very easily. So first of all you see p will be one p will be cancelled out from numerator, one q will be cancelled out from numerator, and this half in numerator and half in denominator will also be cancelled out. So what we are getting here? We are getting 2a plus p minus 1 into d upon 2a plus q minus 1 into d is equal to p by q. Or by cross multiplication, here 2a into p plus p into this much, means you can write pq minus p into d. This is equal to cross multiplication 2a into q plus q into this much, so pq minus q into d. Okay, now further we transpose this 2aq to left hand side. So here 2ap and 2aq, 2a will be common, so 2a will be common, and here p minus q in left hand side, and this part pq minus p into d will be transferred to right hand side. So here d will be common in right hand side, and this term will become negative. So d into this much we can take d common. So here we are getting pq minus q, and if it will be transposed to right hand side we will get minus pq plus p into d. Correct? Now you see here pq and minus pq is cancelled out. Okay, and this minus pq we will transfer to right hand side, or 2a is equal to, this part is c, p minus q into d upon, this is p minus q transposing to right hand side, this p minus q will be cancelled out. So finally we are getting the result. In one side we are having d and in another side we are having 2a. So d is equal to 2a, that we was supposed to prove. D is equal to 2a. Common difference is twice of the first term. Okay, so we got the result here very easily. So hope you have understood it. Question is very simple. So enjoy mathematics and keep watching these videos. Thank you very much.